Many of you out there might be considering DoorDash as a gig app, a side hustle, full-time, part-time, extra income. Can you make money doing DoorDash? Here's my review. Let's go. This is Pedro, DoorDash Lunch. I go back at you with the RideShare Guy again. Hope you guys are doing well. For those of you guys that have thought about using DoorDash as a secondary income, some extra money, maybe even doing it full time because you lost your job or you want to leave your job and you say, can I make money doing it? I hear a lot of things about DoorDash. I hear good things. I hear bad things. I hear it's busy, but I hear it's really low offers. This is a video for you. So I'll give you guys first a little bit of backstory about me so you have a little bit of, so you know where I'm coming from. So I started doing Uber rideshare, getting into the gig economy just a little over 2 years ago. I started doing full-time gig economy, DoorDash mostly, last January 2021. So right now, currently, I'm at 6,043 lifetime deliveries, okay, on DoorDash alone. DoorDash is my main app. It's the one that I do the most over the course of the last year or so, year and a half. It's also the one that I trust the most as far as business, like how many offers can I see? What's my money-making capability? Now, quick disclaimer, each market's going to be different. In your market, it might be Uber, it could be Instacart, it could be RideShare, it might be Grubhub, it could be something else. But currently, as we stand today, the market share for DoorDash is between 57 and 60% of the food delivery that DoorDash has. So clearly, if you have DoorDash as an app, it's going to go off more than most other apps most of the time. So the money-making capability is definitely there. Now, a few things and a quick review of what the DoorDash app might do for you and your market if you're new. Now, the one thing you have to know about DoorDash is acceptance rate doesn't matter for most of you guys, okay? So as the orders come in, don't feel like you need to take them. If they're really low, if they don't meet your goals, if it's too low, don't take it, be patient. Now, another thing about DoorDash is sometimes they will hide tips here and there. So you'll have an order that shows $6.25 and then it winds up being more. It could be 50 cents more, it could be $1 more, it could be $10 more. I like to take things at face value. That works for me. But I do have videos and many others do showing you how to find the hidden tips. So that's a quick thing as far as if you can master that, you can actually make more money a little bit quicker. But really the main thing and why you're watching this is, can I make money? Can I make money doing DoorDash? The quick answer is absolutely yes. Now, it's going to fluctuate for everybody in different markets. Your goal might be $50 a day while somebody else needs to make 200. Now, the amount of time and effort that you put into it and the amount of time and effort you do learning your market, learning which merchants are good, what times to start, is breakfast good for me, is it lunch, is it dinner, is it late night, what zone should I be in, should I follow the hotspot zone? All that's going to be very dependent upon you. But can you make money doing DoorDash? Absolutely you can. But you need to take a realistic look at what do I really need to be making and will it match my market? The only way you could do that is do it for a couple of weeks. Can't do it for a day. One day or one shift or even just a day or two of working it isn't going to give you a true indication of if you can make DoorDash. Is it sustainable? Can I make money? You got to go out there and try it. Now, what a lot of analytics will tell you, what DoorDash might even tell you, is that, yeah, you can make at least $15 an hour in most markets. The average DoorDash driver makes somewhere between 20 and 25. I think that's very realistic. Now, another thing you have to understand is you have to be willing to be patient sometimes. You're going to have hours where you make 30, $40. Won't be common, but it's going to happen. Then you're going to have hours where you might make $5, $10, depending on your market, and there's not a lot happening and not a lot coming in, okay? So you have to look at your averages, and you have to work towards that monetary goal that you set for yourself, whether it's 50, 100, 200. Now, I will say this, in my experience, I think DoorDash, along with other apps, but DoorDash specifically is a great way to make some part-time income, some side money if you're working towards something. If you got some debts you want to pay down, you got a bill you need to pay, you got a trip you want to take next, this coming up summer or next year, you want to help your kid, pay for some schooling or some sports equipment, DoorDash is fantastic for that because you simply just turn the app on and you get going, right? And you work it on your schedule. So if you got a regular job already, you got a W-2, you got a full-time job, a Monday through Friday kind of gig, and you want to work Saturday, you want to work Sunday night, something like that, you can do that. And in a lot of markets, you're going to be able to make 50 or $100 on a shift without really breaking much of a sweat. Okay, you might have some issues. Things are going to happen. You might have to call support. A customer isn't ready, or you see a lot of bad offers. That's part of the gig economy. But DoorDash is so busy that if you got a goal in mind and you need to hit that goal, that monetary goal, DoorDash, in my opinion, is a good app to hit that goal. So appreciate you guys watching. Hit that thumbs up. Check the links down below in the description box if you want to sign up for DoorDash or many other apps. Also, watch these next couple videos here at the end. If you want more DoorDash content, if you got more questions, drop them in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.